patients somehow believe that if they get their implants removed after having breasts that they actually liked for so many years, that meant they were going to be left with breasts they would be unhappy with, or they maybe have a permanent deformity because of that. And that's just simply not true. You don't have to have breast implants to have beautiful breasts. There's so many great options for patients to make sure they have beautiful breasts after their implants are removed. In our practice, we do a lot of things. We first talk about whether they want an implant exchanged or removed. Then we talk about what to do with the capsule, and that can be important. Different reasons why patients may want to have their implants removed, maybe because of downsizing, maybe because concerns about illnesses or something that may be related to their implants. Maybe they have textured implants and they're thinking about changing those to either smooth implants or no implants. The final piece of that is, okay, we're going to take your implants out with or without the capsules. Now we're going to do something for your breast to make sure they're beautiful. So what we do is we look at the options. And there's really three major options. It's breast lifting. It's using auto augmentation. When we do that breast lift, we actually use some of that breast tissue to make sort of a quasi type of implant out of it to give them more roundness from their own breast tissue. And we use fat grafting. So between a breast lift, auto augmentation with their own breast tissue, and fat grafting, we can create beautiful shaped breasts. A lot of patients have considered having their implants removed, and to know that breast surgery is something more than breast implants. It's all the options we have available.